Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to publish WordPress website using cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on docs.cpanel.net, where I found a guide that explains everything about how you can do it. Create a placeholder page with Site Publisher. To set up a placeholder for your account, perform the following steps. Navigate to cPanel's Site Publisher interface, cPanel, Home, Domains, and lastly Site Publisher. Select the domain for which you want to create a placeholder page. Select a site template, enter your site information, and then click on Publish. As you can see guys right here in the picture, this is how an example of how you can publish your WordPress website. For more information, read out Site Publisher documentation. Create a WordPress website. The WordPress Toolkit interface allows you to quickly install WordPress and configure it. To create a website with WordPress, perform the following steps. Navigate to cPanel's WP Toolkit interface, cPanel, Home, Domains, and WP Toolkit. WP Toolkit interface will appear. Click Install WordPress. The Install WordPress sidebar will appear. Enter a title for the website. WP Toolkit will suggest a username, password, and email address for the administrator account. Make any changes as needed, and then click on Install. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.